Are you looking for how to increase your vertical jump? Well, I'm going to teach you exactly how to do that in this video. What's up, everybody? Nathanael Morton here with NathanaelMorton.com, helping you get bigger, stronger, faster, and more explosive. Before I get into this video, I want to let you know that if you comment JUMP, J-U-M-P, down below in the comment section and you like this video, I will send you a free bodyweight vertical jump training program, absolutely free, if you comment JUMP and like the video. Today's video is on the topic of my current vertical jump workout split. So a workout split is basically what you do weekly. If you're talking about your regular workout split, it would be, let's say, upper body on Monday, lower body on Tuesday, rest on Wednesday, upper body Thursday, lower body Friday, rest Saturday, Sunday. That's a workout split. I'm going to teach you my current vertical jump workout split because it wasn't always this way. But this is what I'm doing currently. This is also what I think you should do if you are advanced. If you have experience with weights, then you should do this. If you're a beginner, then you probably should start with the body weight stuff. I can send you that body weight program for free. Start with that, and that will help you increase your vertical jump. But if you're experienced with the weights, this might be for you. So this is what I do. This is what I do weekly for my current vertical jump workout split. On Monday, I do a weight training workout. Within that weight training workout, I usually do some squats, I usually do some lunges, I usually do some other weighted exercises to improve my strength. Okay, I'm using weights, I'm trying to get stronger. I don't do too many plyometrics in these workouts, I just don't. Sometimes I don't do any plyometrics. Sometimes it's just squats and lunges and Bulgarian split squats and hamstring curls and things like that. So Monday, I do weight training. After my weight training, I do stretching and foam rolling. I cannot stress the importance of stretching and foam rolling. If you want to increase your vertical jump as high as possible, you have to be stretching, you have to be foam rolling, okay? Because let's face it, every other athlete out there, they want to go to the NBA just like you. They want to go to the NFL just like you. They want to be an Olympic volleyball player just like you. They want to be a track star just like you. What is going to separate you from them? Because everybody's playing their sport. Everybody's playing basketball every single day. Okay? Hopefully you play more than them. Hopefully you play more deliberately than them. 500 shots a day, Kobe Bryant, Mamba mentality, whatever you're going to do, but everybody's playing basketball. Then, only some people are weight training. Okay, so if you're weight training, you're trying to increase your vertical jump, you're already ahead of the next guy. Okay? After that, if you are eating right, you're really ahead of the next guy because not everybody eats right. If you are stretching and foam rolling, you are really, really, really ahead of the next guy because nobody in their right mind stretches and foam rolls every day. You should, but a lot of athletes don't, especially high school and college athletes. They just don't do it. So if you do all of those things, you're going to be ahead of the next guy, but you got to be stretching, you got to be foam rolling, and I will have a link down below in the description for a video I did on my current stretching and foam rolling routine, the stretching and the foam rolling that I do every single day. Anyways, Monday, weight training, stretching, foam rolling. Tuesday is usually an upper body day or an agility day, but for vertical jump split, it is just stretching and foam rolling. Okay, so on Tuesday, you need to do more stretching and foam rolling. As you can see, I really like stretching and foam rolling because I do it every single day. Wednesday, I do the body weight vertical jump program that I will send you if you comment jump, or if you already have that, because a lot of people already have that. I do one of those workouts on Wednesdays. So in that booklet, I tell you to do the bodyweight vertical jump training program. I tell you to do the workouts either 2 or 3 times per week. Since I am doing weight training, I only do it 1 time per week. So I do my bodyweight vertical jump training program on Wednesdays, and I just go through the phases like that. And I do the plyometrics that are in there as well. Also, I do stretching and foam rolling. On Thursday, stretching and foam rolling. On Friday, more weight training, but on Fridays I do deadlifts instead of squats. So Mondays are my squat days. Fridays are my deadlift days. And I also do, lunges, some dumbbell squat jumps, some kettlebell swings, some power cleans, a bunch of stuff that's going to increase your vertical. Basically, whatever I'm feeling, I do that weight training on Friday. Then I also stretch and I foam roll. Saturday and Sunday, I do more stretching and more foam rolling. And I have basketball games because I play in 2 leagues. I play on Wednesday nights. I have a basketball game. And I play on Saturdays. I have a basketball game. Sometimes I have Thursday and Saturday, but usually it's just Wednesday and Saturdays. I have basketball games. I am not the type of person to care about doing legs on the same day that I have a basketball game. I really don't care. I have the toughest mindset in the world, and I'm not going to sit here and skip my leg workout because I have a freaking old man basketball league game that night. Okay, of course I'm competitive. Of course I want to win, but I'm going to play how I'm going to play. So for a lot of people who worry about doing workouts on the same day, if you're a college athlete, then maybe you should worry about it. But everybody else, man, just get your mindset right. I do it all. I will run a marathon before I play my basketball game. I do not care. I will work harder than you. Okay, that's just my mindset. What else? What was I going to say? Play basketball every day. You don't have to not play basketball on your vertical jump days, on your weight training days, or your body weight days. Literally play your sport every single day. You need to be practicing harder and longer and more deliberately than everyone else who wants the same goal that you want. Everyone wants to go to the NBA. So you have to separate yourself by practicing more than them, harder than them, and more deliberately. Don't just go play 5-on-5 with the neighborhood school kids. Go in there, find a court, and practice game moves. Deliberately practice what you are going to do in the game. Visualize yourself being in the game against your opponents and do the things you would do against those opponents. Practice deliberately. Okay, don't go to the rec center and just play pickup 5-on-5 with a bunch of people who are in jeans and do-rags. Okay, that's what I used to do in high school. It is not going to get you to the NBA. It's not. Go practice deliberately. Then eat right, train right, and stretch and foam roll, and you will be well on your way. But this has been Nathanael Morton. This is my current workout routine. This is what I am doing currently to increase my vertical jump. Mondays, weight training. Fridays, weight training. Wednesdays, body weight training, stretching and foam rolling every single day. I will see you guys in the next video.